Hey baking enthusiasts, have you ever found yourself frustrated with a hand mixer that just can't handle your favorite recipes? Are you tired of uneven mixing, splattering batter, or motors that give up halfway through your cookie dough? Well, you're in for a treat today. I've spent countless hours in the kitchen testing the top 7 hand mixers on the market, putting them through rigorous tests with everything from delicate meringues to tough bread doughs. Let's dive into this comprehensive review and find the perfect mixer for your kitchen. 7. Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer. Let's start with this budget-friendly powerhouse that's been turning heads in kitchens across the country. During my extensive testing period, I discovered that this 250-watt mixer offers impressive versatility without breaking the bank. The traditional chrome beaters might look basic, but they've proven their worth in multiple mixing scenarios. I particularly enjoyed using this mixer for basic cake batters and whipping cream, where it performed admirably. The quick burst button became my secret weapon when dealing with stubborn ingredients. It's like having an extra gear when you need it most, perfect for incorporating those last few chunks of butter into your cookie dough. The bowl rest feature is more than just a marketing gimmick. It genuinely saved my countertop from messy drips numerous times during recipe checks. What really caught my attention was the mixer's performance with egg whites. In my meringue test, it achieved stiff peaks in approximately 3 minutes. Not the fastest, but certainly reliable. The beaters maintain consistent movement throughout the bowl, ensuring even incorporation of ingredients. However, I did notice that when working with heavier doughs, the mixer tends to warm up relatively quickly, suggesting it's better suited for lighter tasks. The ergonomic handle deserves special mention. During my marathon baking sessions, yes, I tested these mixers extensively. The grip remained comfortable even after 30 minutes of continuous use. The weight distribution is well thought out, preventing arm fatigue during extended mixing sessions. While the plastic housing might not scream luxury, it's surprisingly durable and wipes clean easily. 6. Hamilton Beach Professional 5-speed electric hand mixer. Stepping up in the Hamilton Beach lineup, this professional model represents a significant upgrade in both design and performance. The DC motor technology is immediately noticeable. It's remarkably quieter than traditional AC motors, making those early morning baking sessions much more pleasant. During my testing, I found the reduced vibration particularly beneficial when working with liquid ingredients, as it minimized splashing significantly. The slow start feature quickly became one of my favorite aspects of this mixer. When testing various batters, from pancakes to cake mixes, the gradual speed increase prevented the dreaded flour explosion that many bakers are all too familiar with. The stainless steel attachments feel substantial in hand and showed remarkable resilience even after multiple dishwasher cycles. One of the standout features is the digital display, which offers precise speed control. During my meringue tests, this precision proved invaluable. I achieved perfectly glossy peaks in just over 2 minutes. The motor maintained consistent speed throughout, showing no signs of strain even when the mixture thickened. This level of control makes it an excellent choice for more delicate tasks like folding in flour or incorporating whipped egg whites. The storage case deserves special mention as it doubles as a mixing guide. I found this particularly helpful when experimenting with new recipes, as it provides quick reference for recommended speeds and attachments. The case design is well thought out, protecting the attachments while keeping them easily accessible. In terms of comfort, the ergonomic design really shines during extended use. The handle's grip is comfortable and the weight distribution feels natural. 5. BLACK+DECKER MX3200B 6-speed hand mixer. After weeks of testing this model, I can confidently say that BLACK+DECKER has created something special here. The 250-watt motor might seem standard, but its performance tells a different story. During my intensive testing sessions, I put this mixer through its paces with everything from whipping cream to mixing dense cookie dough, and the results were consistently impressive. The Helix beaters are truly revolutionary compared to traditional designs. When creaming butter and sugar, I noticed significantly better incorporation and fewer unmixed portions at the bottom of the bowl. These uniquely designed beaters create a more efficient mixing pattern, reducing the time needed to achieve perfect consistency. During my chocolate chip cookie test, the dough came together beautifully in just under 4 minutes. Comfort was clearly a priority in the design process. The ergonomic handle features a thoughtfully contoured grip that remained comfortable even during my 45-minute bread dough testing session. The Power Boost feature proved invaluable when dealing with particularly stubborn ingredients. It's like having an extra burst of power exactly when you need it. However, I did notice the motor running slightly warm after extended use with heavy doughs. One aspect that particularly impressed me was the mixer's performance with egg whites. The Helix beaters excelled at incorporating air, achieving stiff peaks in approximately 2.5 minutes. The speed controls are intuitive, offering smooth transitions between settings. This precise control makes it ideal for delicate tasks like folding in flour or incorporating delicate ingredients. Number 4. KitchenAid 5-Speed Ultra Power Hand Mixer. The moment I unpacked this KitchenAid mixer, I knew I was dealing with a superior piece of equipment. The build quality is immediately apparent, and after extensive testing, I can confirm that this mixer lives up to the brand's sterling reputation. The 5-speed settings might seem minimal compared to other models, but each speed is perfectly calibrated for specific tasks. The soft start feature is a game changer for messy ingredients. During my powdered sugar frosting test, there was noticeably less dust cloud compared to other mixers. The beater design is particularly clever. The optimal spacing between tines prevents ingredient buildup while ensuring thorough mixing. When creaming butter and sugar, I achieved perfect consistency in just under 2 minutes, significantly faster than most competitors. One of my favorite features is the lockable swivel cord, which might seem minor, but makes a huge difference in practice. During my testing, I could quickly switch between left and right-handed mixing without the cord getting in the way. The motor performance is exceptional. It runs smoothly and quietly, maintaining consistent speed even when tackling heavy mixtures. The mixer truly shined during my meringue testing. It produced perfectly glossy peaks in just over 2 minutes, with excellent control throughout the process. The speed transition is smooth and predictable, allowing for precise control when incorporating delicate ingredients. I was particularly impressed by how it handled whipping cream, achieving stiff peaks in under a minute without any signs of over-whipping. Durability is clearly a priority in the design. After weeks of testing various recipes, including tough cookie doughs and bread mixtures, the mixer showed no signs of strain. 3. Cuisinart HM90BCS Power Advantage Plus. The Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus immediately sets itself apart with its professional-grade features. During my month-long testing period, the 9-speed mixer consistently demonstrated why it's a favorite among serious home bakers. The LED display isn't just for show. It provides precise speed indication that proved invaluable when following recipes requiring specific mixing speeds. The automatic feedback system is truly remarkable. While testing heavy cookie dough, I noticed how the mixer automatically adjusted power to maintain consistent speed, preventing the common problem of bogging down. This feature particularly impressed me during bread dough mixing, where it maintained steady performance without straining. The extra-long beaters reached deeper into bowls than any other model I tested, reducing mixing time and ensuring better ingredient incorporation. The storage case deserves special mention. It's not just an afterthought, but a well-engineered component. During my testing period, I appreciated how it kept all attachments organized and protected. The chef's whisk attachment is a standout feature. It produced the fluffiest whipped cream I've ever achieved with a hand mixer, taking just under a minute to reach perfect peaks. When making meringue, the precision control allowed me to gradually increase speed, resulting in stable, glossy peaks every time. Comfort during extended use was clearly a priority in design. The handle's grip remained comfortable even during my 3-hour baking marathon. The controls are intuitive and responsive, with each speed setting serving a distinct purpose. I particularly appreciated the smooth transitions between speeds, which prevented ingredient splatter, a common issue with lesser mixers. 2. KitchenAid 9-speed digital hand mixer. This digital powerhouse from KitchenAid represents the perfect blend of innovation and practical functionality. During my extensive testing, the soft start feature consistently impressed me, especially when working with dry ingredients. The digital controls offer precise speed adjustment, while the LED indicator provides clear visibility even in low-light conditions. The included accessory package is comprehensive. Beaters, whisk, dough hooks, and blending rod all performed exceptionally well in their respective tasks. During my bread-making tests, the dough hooks powered through tough mixtures without straining, while the whisk attachment produced perfect whipped cream in just 45 seconds. The electronic speed sensor is particularly impressive, automatically adjusting power output to maintain consistent speed regardless of the mixture's thickness. The mixer's performance with heavy-duty tasks is outstanding. When testing with cookie dough, it maintained steady speed even through the thickest portions, thanks to its powerful motor and intelligent speed control. The beater's design prevents ingredient buildup effectively. I noticed significantly less stopping to clean attachments compared to other models. During meringue preparation, the precise speed control allowed for perfect incorporation of air, resulting in stable, glossy peaks every time. Ergonomics clearly received careful attention in the design process. The handle's comfort grip remained pleasant to hold even during extended mixing sessions. The weight distribution is perfectly balanced, reducing arm fatigue during lengthy baking projects. The controls are logically placed and responsive, making speed adjustments intuitive even with messy hands. The premium construction is evident in every aspect. From the smooth speed transitions to the quiet operation, this mixer exudes quality. 1. Breville the Handy Mix Scraper Food Mixer. The Breville Handy Mix Scraper stands as the pinnacle of hand mixer evolution. After extensive testing, I can confidently say this mixer is in a class of its own. The innovative scraper beaters, coated with silicone, revolutionize the mixing experience. They're significantly quieter than traditional beaters and prevent bowl scratching, a common issue with stainless steel attachments. The mixer's intelligent features are truly game-changing. During my testing, the automatic speed optimization consistently impressed me by detecting the attachment type and adjusting settings accordingly. When switching from whipping cream to kneading dough, the mixer automatically adjusted its power output and speed settings for optimal performance. The digital display and count-up timer helped me achieve consistent results across multiple batches of the same recipe. The ergonomic design sets new standards for comfort. The handle's design and weight distribution made extended mixing sessions surprisingly comfortable. During my 3-hour baking marathon, I experienced notably less fatigue compared to other models. The controls are perfectly positioned for easy access, and the speed adjustment is smooth and precise. The Beater IQ technology is nothing short of revolutionary. While testing various recipes, from delicate meringues to thick cookie doughs, the mixer consistently adjusted its power and speed based on resistance. This resulted in perfect consistency every time, whether creaming butter and sugar or whipping egg whites. The scraper beaters proved particularly effective at incorporating ingredients from the sides of the bowl, reducing the need to stop and scrape manually. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.